Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. This is episode 14 of the Discord GS Guide, and in this episode I'll be showing you some more mod commands. So let's jump straight into this. I hope you'll enjoy. Now before I begin the tutorial, I just want to thank you all for all the support lately. I'm almost at 80 subs, which is great, and I also haven't been uploading for a while, so sorry for that. I guess I'll be uploading more frequently after March, and I've also decided on starting Python tutorials along with the JS ones, but I'm not sure about this decision, so please let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that. So now let's begin with the tutorial. So first I'm going to be creating the remove roles command. So if command is equal to remove role, I'm going to be passing in message and args. And yeah, so now time to make the file remove role.js. There we go. I'm just going to be copying the code from here and pasting it in. Let me edit that, and yeah, so let me just change all of these, and it's going to be quite easy to create the remove roles command. Basically you just change add to remove and make the adjustments. That's pretty much it. And here let me just change it to there. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me just test this out now. You can also change the first line right here on into checking the permissions that the user has before doing the command. Here I just check for the role. So anyways, let me add this role right there, and now let me remove it. And there we go. So it works perfectly. I think that command is fine. So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be the unban command. Once again, another if statement. If command is equal to unban, and here I'm going to be giving in bot message args and discord as well. I've made some changes to the previous command which I did, so you can check that out in the GitHub repo, which is linked down below in the description, and I'll also tell you basically what the changes are, as they will be useful for the unban command as well. So once again, bot message args and discord. There we go. So now time to make the file unban.js. And now once again I'm going to be copy pasting all of this code right here and editing it. And basically what I did here is, it's a minor change, but it's not it's going to be kind of useful. So here I changed the mentions.users first into bot.users.fetch, and that's pretty much the same, but it's just easier to write the code. And here also it was an await function before, but now it's not an await function. So basically now I'll just change this to unban, and yeah, it's going to be pretty simple from here on out. I'll just change this to unbanned once again, and unban command. So the difference here is that it takes in the ID of the user, because if you do it the other way, I'm pretty sure it doesn't work properly here, but you can try it out as well. And yeah, this is basically it, I think. Let me just try it out now. Yeah, so let me just go to the ban section once. Yeah, my alt account has been banned, and now time to unban that. So let's just do unban, pass in the ID, and master meter rate use unban. Let's just check it out once again. And yes, no longer in the bans. Let me just ban that account once again, just to check if this command works. And yeah, there we go. So this works as well. That's basically it. You can change this to message.mentions.users first as well if you want, and the code will be slightly changed. It'll be basically how it was in the previous command, but I'm not sure if that's going to work for the unban command, so that's why I didn't do that. And yeah, that's basically it for this as well. Now I'm going to be going on to the purge command. So let me write that. If command is equal to purge pod.commands.get purge, and here I'm not going to be making an embed, so let's just do message and args. And yeah, there we go. Once again, let me create the file purge.js and fill this in. And yeah, so now in the purge command you have to pass in an integer, which is basically the number of number of messages which have to be deleted or purged. So let me do that. Const amount equal to args.1, and I'll do parse int if it's not already an integer, and also add a try catch statement here just to check for errors, and catch that, and then I guess console.log, and then message.channel.send. Yeah, there we go. So now after this I'm going to be adding in some more code to look for the amount of messages which have been specified here, the number of those messages, and then we're going to be deleting them using the message.channel.bulk delete function. So let me do that. So here we do message.channel.messages .fetch, and here you can add the limit equal to the amount. So now after this, what we can do is message.channel.bulk delete messages, and then maybe we can type in message.channel.send amount messages were deleted from this channel. And yeah, there we go. That's basically it. Let me rerun this and try it out. Okay, let me see. There is a problem here. Yeah, we have to change it to async so that we can use the await keyword right here. I forgot about that. Sorry for that. And let me rerun this once again. And now let's try purge 2. Something went wrong. Let me just check what that is. Alright guys, I'm back. I just figured out what the problem was, so let me just show it right here. Basically, I have to convert this into a number. So I'm just going to be using the number function and add 10 here because it's a decimal value, and also I added 1 here by mistake. It's supposed to be 0 because that's the first index of an array, which is the args array right here. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to be adding 1 here as well just to delete the command which you sent as well. And now let me run this once again and try it out. So now let's do purge 4, and 4 messages deleted. So yeah, that's basically it, and I think I'm done with the purge command as well. So that's basically going to be it for this video. So thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share and favorite if you did enjoy, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace and stay awesome.